Welcome to all. Today I want to make a quick episode on another quote by Neville Goddard, and we want to analyze this quote and what it means for you guys and for me as well. If this is of interest to you, please stay tuned till the end of the episode. And without further ado, let's get into it. Neville Goddard said, "Do not waste a single moment in regret, because to think feelingly of the past is to reinfect yourself. Let the dead bury the dead." Matthew 8:22. Turn from appearance and live in the end. Visualize in your imagination your wish fulfilled. Now I'm paraphrasing, but that's pretty much the gist of it, right? When it comes to the past and the old conversation, the old man, as Neville Goddard would say, we want to let it go. This is one of the keys to moving forward and having what we really want to have in our life, is we have to let the past go. Because what happens is the past has already affected us. I'm talking about the negative things that you don't want anymore in your present situation and in your future. So because our mind remembers the past, that's why revision is a good tool, but that's a subject for another day. Our past will give us the present. Our past thoughts will give us the present. So the things we see now are the result of the thoughts of the past, of the visualization and the thinking and the scripting and the limiting beliefs, whatever the case may be. The result of the past is now what you see. So if you see it and you react to it, you will create the same in the future. More of the same in the future. Now, if you look into your past and you have regrets, sorrow, negative feelings, negative thoughts on this particular event in the past, you are bringing the past in the future and in the present. So that's why it is very important. It is a key to manifestation and key to fulfillment and happiness, is to not dwell in the past. You can dwell in the past if it's positive, and that's all good. But even then, stay in the present moment. But if you dwell in the past and remember the positive thing, and remember it only feelingly in the positive state of mind, that's cool. However, if you look back in the past, as Neville Goddard said, with regret, with fear, with bitterness, with frustration, and all that unwholesome stuff, you are doing yourself a great disservice, because what you're doing now is pretty much telling the universe, let's do it again. So forsake the past. I'm not working too much with revision. So if you want to do the revision techniques, by all means, do them if it helps. I, for one, rather have affirmations, scripting, as if I'm already living in my end. Because revision is a whole different technique. It works. Even Neville Goddard said that revision is the greatest thing you can do, is the greatest technique you can do. So look into it. I have a few videos on revision, and I strongly recommend you check them out if you think that revision is something you want to try. But it's not necessary. The only thing you really need to do is not dwell on negativity and on negativity of the past. That's what he said. Do not regret the past, because it will reinfect you. So that's all I have to say. Do not dwell on the negativity of the past. Live as if you already have what you want. And do not let the past things that you think are negative affect the present and the future. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much for listening to the end. I'm Sebastian. If you want more content along the lines of what I'm talking about, Neville Goddard, Joseph Murphy, Napoleon Hill, all that good stuff, manifestation, law of attraction, blah, 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 law of attraction, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm very thankful for your support. And if you want more guidance, coaching is available. Check the description in the box below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon.